This could either be the world's biggest murder mystery or the world's most idiotic conspiracy theory.
The European Parliament unveiled the 3 finalists of the LUX Film Prize. The investigative documentary Cold Case Hammarskjöld dives into the mysterious death in 1961 of the Swedish UN Secretary-General Daga Hammarskjölda. Danish director Mads Brügger teams up with Swedish investigator Göran Björkdahl and unearths some new details about the crash in the context of Cold War politics.
Prevaricación, fraude continuado a la administración pública, estafa y falsedad en concurso y tráfico de influencias. ¿Algo que declarar?
¿Qué ha pasado?
Hay unas grabaciones.
El registro ha comenzado a primera hora de la mañana.
A partir de ahora quiero que me lo cuentes todo.
The thriller The Realm addresses a more current style of political scandal, depicting the fall of a corrupt politician. It's a fast-moving, adrenaline-packed drama by Spanish director Rodrigo Sorogoyen that skewers the wheeling and dealing of government. In God Exists, Her Name is Petrunija, the North Macedonian director Tiona Strugar-Mitevska shines a light on feminism, conventions and religion in her country. The film follows a young woman who decides to go against her village's ancestral religious and societal traditions. The 3 films are subtitled in the 24 official EU languages and will be screened across the European Union before members of Parliament vote on the winner. The Lux Prize is awarded on the 27th of November.